See, we're going 70. Yeah, now we're going 95.
Oh my gosh.
I think the next time we go around the back, I'm going to get it up to 100.
So that's 2 laps almost. Whoa! Oh! Oh my gosh. So that's 3.
Huh?
3 laps?
Yeah.
Is it
Yeah,
that's 3.
That was 3?
Yeah.
Looks like they're waving us down.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Well, there you go. You did 100 on TMS, Pete.
Okay. What do you think?
Cool. That was the most fun I had today.
Really? Just one more lap, please. Oh well.
Just a quick reminder, you can help support and grow this channel, first of all and most importantly, by hitting that subscribe button. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you'd like to do a little more, join me on Patreon. Links down below. So go ahead and join me on Patreon if you feel so inclined. And finally, coffee cups, stickers, and gas tank covers are available. This is a new design coffee cup. I like the old ones, but I like these new ones even better. Links will be provided in the description down below. Get yourself some. And thank you all ever so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. Bye.